When we founded Danish Tech Challenge more than 10 years ago, the Danish startup ecosystem was basically concentrated on software startups, and the accelerators and incubators were mostly supporting those. We wanted to create a hardware-focused accelerator, and we believe that we've managed to create a strong one that we've developed throughout the 10 years, so the offering to the startups today is much better than it was 10 years ago. A lot of the different topics that we had were general topics related to developing a startup, and the program was very generic. Now we've managed to put the program into a different setting where it's much more individualized and trying to focus very much on the challenges of the individual startup.
Since we participated in Danish Tech Challenge, we have done so many things. We have raised more than 5 million kroner. We developed a almost finished product, and now we are still taking some things that we learned in Danish Tech Challenge to really try to solve before we have a medical device.
There's happened a lot of things since we were part of the Danish Tech Challenge, and I would say that I'm not sure that we would exist if we hadn't been part of the Tech Challenge, because during that time we were taught a lot of very valuable things. And now we are on the market in the US and in EU and UK, and even starting to open to Canada. Of course, Denmark also.
I think the biggest thing that we have taken with us since Danish Tech Challenge is that we actually still are communicating and using the other startups that we met through Danish Tech Challenge.
I think that Denmark has to be an industrial nation for some years to come. I think that we need technology-driven hardware companies in the future, and particularly, maybe more now than ever, we need companies within areas such as clean tech, green tech, med tech. And those type of companies are the ones that we focus on in Danish Tech Challenge. So I do believe that going forward, the need for a program like Danish Tech Challenge is larger than ever.